guys. The cutest little thing. This is the kit that Eric Olson won. Anyways, you guys, so here I wanted to show you the new addition to our kit that I'm thinking about bringing to the market for sale. And you can see how small it is, right? And I want to show you guys. Of course, this is going to be very affordable. But I want to show you guys, typically a dye job will need about 1 of these scoops per job, right? Have you found that to be true, Dwayne, with our dyes? Because they're so concentrated. So I'm going to start counting to see how many microscopes we can get out of this little kit right here, so we can have an idea of how many dye jobs that you can do with this. So let's see if we can show here in the camera. I'm just going to start to count. Here we go. 1, 30. So I would be conservative in saying that there are about 100 microscopes in this micro kit right here. So now I want to show you guys how strong this is. And Dwayne, you already know that, but check out this brown, how beautiful it is. You have not seen this yet. So I'm going to scoop of the brown here. You guys pay attention of the beauty of this brown dye. All my colorists are getting this in the mail. Let's see if we can. This is how dark it is. Like seriously, you can dye a lot of carpets with the brown, and this brown is going to be great for full room dyeing. So we're coming out with that based on requests. So let me know if you might be interested in this little specialty dye kit. Now this will be available for anybody, whether or not you have taken my training, the Carpet Dye Made Easy, but for my colorists, those who have signed up and taken the Carpet Dye Made Easy class, here's the fixative, and for the everything else dyes, this is what we have. So